What if stopping your scrolling at 8:45 p.m. could actually rewire your brain for better sleep and slower aging? Let's break it down. We've all been there. You promise yourself just 5 minutes of scrolling, and suddenly it's midnight. But it's not just lost time. Late-night scrolling hijacks your brain's dopamine system, floods it with stimulation, and leaves you wired when you should be winding down. When you scroll, your brain gets hit with tiny dopamine spikes. It feels rewarding, but it keeps your brain alert, your heart rate up, and blocks melatonin, the hormone that signals sleep. Studies show that late-night device use can reduce your REM sleep, leading to fatigue and faster aging. So why 8:45 p.m.? Because it gives your brain a buffer. The 60-90 minutes before sleep is critical for melatonin to rise and for your nervous system to shift into rest mode. Cutting off screens at 8:45 helps protect this window and trains your dopamine system to stop craving that late hit. By stopping scrolling at 8:45 p.m., people report falling asleep faster, waking up less during the night, and feeling more refreshed. The bonus? Better sleep supports skin repair, hormone balance, and slows down biological aging. That's right, your night routine shapes how fast you age. Here's how to make it easy. Set a nightly alarm at 8:45 p.m. that reminds you to stop scrolling. Use night shift or grayscale mode after that time. Keep your phone out of reach. Charge it outside your bedroom. Replace scrolling with a calming habit, journaling, stretching, or reading. Want to supercharge the effect? Pair your no-scroll time with dimming your lights and slowing your breathing. This tells your brain, it's time to rest, not time for dopamine hits. Start your dopamine reset tonight. Stop scrolling at 8:45 p.m. and feel the difference. Like, share, and subscribe for more night hacks that slow down aging.